Chinese consumers have again shown their huge spending potential during the 8-day Spring Festival holiday that ended Saturday. According to the data from the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, some 474 million domestic trips were made in the period, up 34.3% from the Spring Festival holiday last year. Domestic tourists have spent about 632.69 billion yuan, up 47.3% from the holiday last year.
武夷山景区从正月初一到现在都非常火爆，同比增长了60%以上。
According to the National Immigration Administration, China saw about 13.52 million inbound and outbound trips during the Spring Festival holiday.
每天呢都会，我们工作人员都挺忙，我们入境呢也在接待，入境每天也都会有俄罗斯的这个游客来黑河来旅游，来黑河品尝咱们中国的美食。
Besides the tourism market, China's cinemas also welcomed crowds of moviegoers during the holiday. China's box office revenue during the Spring Festival holiday exceeded 8 billion yuan.
2024年春节档的影片较去年较为更为丰富，共8部新片上映，其中观众最喜欢的依然是合家欢类型的影片，特别是喜剧片。